welcome to my next video. Today we are going to play a bizarre day mooded. Let's see. Me and my friend Cheese on Pizza are playing this. Let's see my character. Oh, good one. Let's get back my character. Let's search for Cheese and Pizza. Cheese and Pizza, where are you? Hello, Cheese and Pizza. Where are you? Whoa, my friend's in front of me. Guys, see that? That's very fun. Let me make my volume low. Let me use you. Cheese on Pizza, please. Cheese on Pizza. Guys, 1 minute. Yeah, guys. This we have to show you how do you get stand. Oh no, that's a bad trick. If you press E. E is for continuous punch. R is for very fast punch. Z is for fast punch. Guys, I'll introduce you to my best friend. Cheese on Pizza 300. Let me introduce you to him. Hey, Cheese on Pizza, you can talk to them.
Hey guys, my name is Cheese on Pizza 300. And you know, I'm actually good at games.
Yeah! Cheese on Pizza is a pro in this game. That's why he invited me to play this. And I'm also a pro. Hey, Cheese on Pizza, what should we do now? Wow, what happened to Cheese on Pizzas? Whoa! I'm only the one in the game. Oh my god, I think he got disconnected. Yeah, now he's not reconnected. Wait, let me see. Cheese on Pizza, why did you exit the game? My friend is calling you. If you don't come, I'm gonna kill you. Guys, I have 7,750 yen. Let's go change my character. Rian! Hello, sorry, Cheese on Pizza. This game looks a little different.
Yeah, because you got a ticket, you know.
Oh, I'm there because I stopped playing this before. Yeah, guys, let's go to Timmy Team. Stand, yes. Hey guys, I have these many stands. The World, Star Platinum, and Crazy Diamond. Which should I equip? Tell me guys, your wish. Oh guys, I'm choosing Star Platinum. Let's get him out. No. Pressing Q. Oh no, I have the same character with me. Let me just reset my character. Here you go, guys. My new character has to come. He's not back here. I don't know why. He's not back here with me. Hello, Cheese on Pizza. Star Platinum means by the purple guy.
Yeah, Star Platinum Stone Ocean. He's from the part. I think it should be.
I made a mistake. I deleted him. No, I got him back. Don't worry, guys. I got him back. Cheese on Pizza. Can you please help me search for this thing? What's that? normal star platinum. 1 minute. Can you come help me, Season Pizza? Which I don't know which is this normal star platinum.
Star Platinum, the world.
He will be leaning back like this with his shoulders in the back. That's how you can
Oh guys, let's go. Just check my star platinum. Which one? Okay, yeah, cause I have a star platinum TW. What is that? No. I have star platinum TW, which is of no use. No, TW. Guys, 1 minute. Season Pizza, can you give me the red arrow?
I'm sorry, man. I'll give it afterwards after you get this one. Normal star platinum. I'll let you get it. Okay, alright. I'll get you a rock on this.
I have a rococo fruit.
Choose it.
Yeah, I ate it. What should I do?
To get you an arrow, wait.
Oh no, I don't know what happened. I think I'm disconnected from the game. Season
Disconnected.
What? What?
I'm getting disconnected a lot.
Yeah, guys, 1 minute. Let me get back to the game.
I'm getting back to it.
I got disconnected by mistake. No worries, guys. My character is very cool. Season P. What do you mean by?
How does it look?
My character has a book on its head. My character has a book on its head. Wait, guys, let me join Cheese on Pizza's game. I'm joining him. Oh no, guys. This my internet is very bad, guys. No one. I know Yeah, I'm joining it back. Cheese and Pizzas. No, not able to.
Connected. What is not fair?
Not fair and then nice. 1 minute, guys. Cheese on Pizza, can you join your server, please?
Yes, wait.
Oh, he's also disconnected. Let me see. Guys, by the time I show you my avatars.
Yeah, joining. Do not leave it.
Guys, I have these many of my avatars. Here you go, guys. I have these many avatars. And I'll tell you a secret. What?
You're still not in my server.
Yeah, guys, let me join Cheese and Pizza's game now. Cheese and Pizza, she's playing some game. Yeah, I'm soon a bizarre day. Let's start. And I'm going to show you how to get a very good stand using a rococo fruit and an arrow. Let me join. Upload. Oh no, it's not making me join, guys. I don't know. Ah, yeah, guys. My stand's gone. Oh no.
Yeah, you still have some back in Stone Ocean.
Now, what's the meaning of stop line of TW?
WTW means Star Platinum the word. It's a rare stand that has a 1% chance of getting from an arrow and 1 out of this one was 85,000 chance to get it out of a shiny arrow.
Oh, guys, I have the best one. Let me eat a rococo fruit and get the star platinum, the ocean out of it. My friend gave me a rococo. Told me to use my ability. I told no.
Okay, now wait, don't do anything.
Q, I didn't get a stand, guys. That's so bad. No, my friend is weird. He used up my stand. Now I don't have a stand. I don't have 5,000. Cheese on pizza. I need my stand.
Use it. Use the arrow I gave you.
What?
Again? Okay, just 1v1 is that.
1 minute, guys. I'll go with cheese and pizza. I'm getting stuff. I'm getting stuff and in the ocean. I got an arrow, guys. Here you go.
Friends to me.
I can't feel how to do a high jump. Yeah, my ability is not there. I'm gonna reset my character. I did it.
Really?
Yeah, I need an arrow, guys, now. I don't know where it is.
I hate you.
Oh, give me a red arrow, please.
Come here, brother. Come here. Follow me.
Oh, shit. I don't know where my friend made me get stuck. I don't know where am I.
You have it.
Guys, I don't have a stand. I need an arrow.
Wait.
Give me a red arrow, cheese on pizza.
Dude, red arrow is used for Star Platinum or Oni or Sonic.ex. Sonic. I have Sonic.ex.
Wait, guys, I think cheese and pizza got a arrow. And he didn't give it to me. He gave it to me. Go to back. Again, this 2B character. I don't have high jump still. Yeah, I used it up. Cheese and pizza.
Okay, don't roll my
What?
hand is good.
What's the name of that?
It's called The World.
I have it.
Yeah, it's good.
I have another one like this.
I'm getting disconnected again.
Go to TV.
Dude, I got disconnected. Why every time?
Star, I have Crazy Diamond. Who is Crazy Diamond?
Crazy Diamond is bad, according to me.
Is the worst.
Dude, I have to go after a little time. Okay, show me your stand.
Guys, I got the same Star Platinum again.
Dude, it's good. Don't go by.
Which one?
Yeah, the one you have right now.
That's the worst stand. I can't use it for the red arrow.
Yeah, but why do you even want the red arrow?
I have another stand like this only in the store.
So then I'll give you an item. It's called a star, okay? Use it. You get a new type.
Okay, cheese and pizza. Cheese and pizza. I want to tell you something. I have a Star Platinum. What is that?
Star Platinum is a good stand, though.
And I have a thing called Dark Shadows.
So I give you an item down. It's called a star.
1 minute, guys. I have Z-Volt, Star Platinum, TW, and Crazy Diamond.
Sure, Ave. Bring the Star Platinum TW out.
Oh, but I don't have 5,000.
Wait, don't. I'll give you an item. Okay, you can evaluate it to my stand.
No.